In this video, I will show you how to create household monthly budget using Excel. So open Excel, then search household monthly budget. Click on new. So you will get a ready to use template. You can edit and make changes as your requirement. Search here household and press enter. So there are some Excel template: household monthly budget, family budget planner, household to-do list, food budget. So select it like this household monthly budget, track monthly income and household budget, expenses with a monthly household budget template from Excel, track spending by comparing projected cost against actual expenditures. Expenditures. Enter a category for each expense and use the handy filtering buttons to track where your money is going. This is an accessible household monthly budget template. So just click on create. Now here you will see this four Excel worksheet. It's budget overview, budget summary, monthly expense, and additional data. You can make changes as your requirement. And in the last you will get this final overview. So once we click on this page, budget summary, and once you click any button by pressing and holding control children, so here we can see this children options. You can edit here once you double click on it. Now here guys you can make changes as your requirement. So thanks for watching.